This is the reading for 2022. हमने 2 साल 2020 से 2022 निकाल लिए. 2 साल में बहुत ऊपर नीचे देखा है. 2020 and 2021 has been a lot of changes in the life. We have lost a lot of loved ones and बहुत सारी चीज़ों को हमने अपनी ज़िंदगी में चेंज किया है, तब्दील किया है. Knowingly, unknowingly or forcefully or however you want to say it, but हमने वो change लाया है अपनी ज़िंदगी में. 2020 is number 4 and 2021 was number 5. 2020 is Rahu. Rahu always brings something very good or something very bad. तो कुछ लोगों के लिए ठीक गया होगा, कुछ लोगों के लिए बहुत अच्छा गया होगा, कुछ लोगों के लिए बहुत खराब गया. But definitely for the entire world, 2020 was the biggest change anybody can ask in the human race. Now then 2021 brought some changes with number 5 being there, and number 5 is all about the changes in the way you see the world. The communication got changed, the lifestyle got changed, everything became on the app and online. आप बहुत सारी चीज़ें ऑनलाइन करने आपने शुरू कर दिया. जो पहले आप लोगों से मिलते थे, आप फेस टाइम हो गया आपका, like any video calls that you can avail, that was there, whether it's Zoom or whatever you name it, you have it. I mean, every app has a thing which is called a video call. So रिश्तों में जो चेंज और तब्दीलियाँ आई वो 5 नंबर से आई, जो कि 2021 था. अब हम जा रहे हैं 2022 में, and 2022 is number 6. Now, as for certain people, it's a devilish number, but certain people don't understand it's the abundant number. It is a very spiritual number. Number 6 is all about Venus. Venus is all about abundance and prosperity and money, and you name it and it's there. So what you need to understand कि 6 नंबर में अगर आपके चार्ट में वीनस अच्छा है, उसकी महादशा चल रही है, या आपके अंतरदशा में है, तो आपकी ज़िंदगी में कुछ तब्दीलियाँ ज़्यादा आएंगी बनस्पत उन लोगों के जिनके वीनस का या शुक्र की कोई महादशा नहीं चल रही है. बट ऑल टुगेदर 2022 is going to be a lot of different year as past the last 2 years, just because number 6 is all about spiritual abundance, money, health, wealth, you say and you have it. So we begin this reading of 2022 with definitely the tarot decks which I have. Then I have these decks of the angels answers, and I have the energy deck with me, which is energy deck, which is the energy every sun sign, moon sign will have in 2022. And of course, how can we forget love? So the love is also there, the angels romance card, and we'll see what these things are going to tell you. I'm going to pull out cards for every sun and moon and rising, and we begin with Aries. So this is Aries rising, and let's see what the Aries have to got in their chart for the month, all the months. Let's see how it goes. Alright, let's pull out the cards. Let's see what it has got for Aries. Okay. Alright. Cool. So, all together, Aries, आपके लिए जो 2022 का साल है, it's going to be that you will have some ideas, you will have some new ideas, which is the Knight of Wands is saying. The new ideas are coming your way, and you have some travel plans, or maybe you want to go somewhere. That's all the indications at the moment for you. But you're kind of disturbed about certain things. There is a hangman which has come for you in the chart, and there's a tower. So I would say that in totality, there are some beginnings which is happening. There is some new thing which is happening, and you will definitely take some productive steps in the year of 2022. And all those tensions which are there in your mind because of the 8 of Swords is only in your mind. It's basically not there. You're thinking about certain things very deeply, and you want to bring a big change, but everything happens slow and steady, which you need to understand. Then there is some initiation, there is some new beginnings, which is happening with the Page of Cups in your life. And then there is a Hanged Man, which is taking a little pause in your work scenario as far as things are concerned. And but there's also the Wheel of Fortune. So Wheel of Fortune is saying, like, slowly and steadily, whatever in business, if you want to do something, कुछ नया काम आप business में करना चाहते हैं, उसके लिए you have to wait for some time, say about 6 months for things to change. By the mid of the year, things will start changing for you, Aries, because the last is the World. The World is saying there's a completion which is happening, and the Tower is also there, and the Page of Pentacles also there. The Page of Pentacles is indicating that you have Page of Cups and Page of Pentacles. Now, Page of Cups and Page of Pentacles are initiation of something new which is happening, some new communication which is happening, some new way of bringing spark in your work, in your relationship. It's going to be there for you. But definitely the Tower card is also there. The Tower card is indicating in your say family life, love life, or whatever, there is some big changes which is going to be there. If you're trying to bring some huge changes and you're planning something big, it shall happen. But you need to take care of all this stuff which will happen as and when the things unfold for you. In totality, I would say in general, there are certain things in your mind which you need to just rest them there. आप ज़्यादा overthinking मत करिए, because overthinking करने से कुछ हासिल होगा नहीं. So you have to let go, let God in 2022, and you will bring some peace and harmony for yourself and your family, that's for sure. Now we see what is the energy which is there for you, Aries, in the 2022. The energy card for Aries 2022. The energy card for Aries 2022 is Goodness of the Moon. Well, the Goodness of the Moon card is saying it's all dependent on how you react to the full moons, and you know the new moon energies is going to be there. And as you know, the moon is a god. Moon is a planet or sign which is more like very moody. It depends a lot on your mood swings, emotional card. So you are very much into emotional zone. You attached to things on a very emotional level that you want to bring the change. And when you connected with emotions होते हैं तो आप बहुत पैशन के साथ काम करते हैं. आप हर चीज़ को दिल से सोचते हैं. तो आपको थोड़ा सा प्रैक्टिकल होके भी इस साल को देखना होगा ताकि आपकी चीज़ों वैसे हो जैसे आप चाहते हैं. Now let's see whatever you're thinking for 2022, how they're going to pan out. We'll take out the cards of the angels and let's see what the angels have to say for Aries. Well, you have to ask for help from others. So अगर आप सोच रहे हैं कि एकला चालो रे, बट आपको ये देखना है कि आपको लोगों से हेल्प मिलेगी, आप वो हेल्प लीजिए और अपने काम में आगे बढ़िए. एंड प्लीज स्टे पॉजिटिव. दैट्स द सेकंड कार्ड व्हिच हैज कम फॉर यू, एरीज. सो इन टोटलिटी इट्स अ ब्यूटीफुल reading for you, because things are definitely changing, things are moving. You're moving from the bad time to the good times, from illness to good health, but it's a slow and steady, because last 2 साल जैसे गए हैं. You need to be very pragmatic in your approach to whatever you're doing, and in all totality आपकी जो फैमिली है वो आपकी सपोर्ट है, फैमिली ही आपका साथ देगी. So please depend on them and don't shun them. That was the card is saying. And अभी love cards क्या कहते हैं, romantic. Oh, well, this is called for a wedding. Now, wedding is also about a partnership. Wedding is about something which is more concrete, which is asking you to be on the ground reality, which is asking you to think from your heart, which is asking you to be in the commitment zone. So you be committed to yourself and you will see how things flourish for you. And God bless you, Aries. Happy New Year to you. Taurians, let's see आपके लिए कार्ड्स क्या कहते हैं. Okay. तो Taurians, आपकी एनर्जी है द हैंगमैन. So आप बहुत सोच समझ के करेंगे, because hangman is somebody who will take time and think, ponder and everything. That's what the hangman is. And that energy is something very positive energy, क्योंकि वो आपने खुद से एक step back लेके ये साल आगे बढ़ने की आप सोच रहे हैं. आपके लिए कार्ड आया है the Seven of Cups. The Seven of Cups is like there are too many things happening in your life in the first 4 months. Too many things happening in your life, and there is some give and take which is happening with the card of money, which is Six of Pentacles, which is you helping others. Some things are coming to you, and there's also a departure, the Five of Cups. There is some movement which is you leaving something, you're going away from something to the different part of the world, and probably with the overexertion of too many things on your plate in the first few months, like say January, February, March, April, you need to take care of your health also, Taurians, and that's what the cards are saying. Now we go for the next chapter, which is next quarter, is like Three of Wands. The Three of Wands is saying that there is some kind of waiting again there, but there definitely it's not for too long, because you have the sun which is shining on you, and there is a King of Cups. So the energy around you is that whatever work you wanted to do will take place and will shall happen. That you have a good energy around you, and you shall be the person who are in command of everything. As far as relationship is concerned, you'll be more giving in the relationship, because that's what you're saying. You'll be doing a lot for your children, kids, and you will be in the zone of shelling out, giving out, pampering, gifts, or love, whatever you say. And then you have the energy of the Chariot. Energy of the Chariot is like you are trying to get this all that has happened in the year together, in the later part of the year. You're going to bring it harmony by balancing act out, because too much has happened in the first a few months, say till October, and after October you would like to bring semblance into your life and all that. So there's a card of Hermit also, that you will take a retreat, something that you want to just be with yourself, Taurus. But there's also the Ace of Cups. Now, Ace of Cups is something, there will be some kind of feeling of like retreat and self-love for yourself in the year of 2022, which is very important, Taurus, Rishabh Rashi, because आप खुद के लिए जो इतना आपने पूरे साल में सबके लिए किया है, आप अपने लिए टाइम नहीं निकालेंगे तो कैसे होगा? तो you have to rejuvenate yourself and take a retreat and go somewhere and nurture your energies, and that's what the card is saying for the Ace of Cups. As far as the love relationship is concerned, for the Taurians this year, there is some kind of a thing which with the King of Cups and the Ace of Cups. And you will be more giving into your relationship, as of the card of the Six of Pentacles also saying for you. But there is some kind of waiting period probably. If you want to do something good as far as your love life is concerned, you need to take it around the decision around the June, July, August, and thereafter, in case you want to do something probably. But I don't see any major changes in your love life, but it will be good love life, but it will be one-sided, I would say, but you would like to bring the balance into it. Let's see what the energy for you, Taurus, Rishabh Rashi, आपके लिए energy क्या है 2022 के अंदर? It is man holding a coin. So man holding a coin is somebody who has money. He knows he's a business minded, he's practical, he takes a call, he understands where to invest, how to go about it, what is needed and all that stuff. Whether it's relationship, whether it's work, whether it's your business, whether it's studies, you know it. And it is all about being that person, and that is like thinking out of the box for yourself as far as your business is concerned. Now we see what is the angels' answers for you, what business, work, or in general, what's the energy for you, angels-wise. And the angels-wise energy for you is the situation will improve. So that's what I told you, that a lot of changes are there for you this year. So that will happen, and there will be helpful people for you, Taurians. So not to worry about. So now we see how we go for the romance, and what is the romance card saying for the Taurians, Rishabh Rashi ke liye. And it says getting to know each other as you never as you reveal your innocent selves to each other, your bond deepens. So you know what is happening, like this year your energies are going to be to know each other, to know the new work or the new business or anything that is happening in your life. This year is supposed to know, open up, know each other, find the bonding, find the communication, find what's connecting you and blossoming the relationship or the work or anything. So it's all about knowing this year for you. God bless you. Rishabh Rashi Taurus, Happy New Year to you. Nice. What is the card saying? Okay. Gemini is आपकी energy है the Empress की. Empress is somebody that you are in command and you're spiritually and materialistically very balanced, and you settled in the way your work and your family life is all supposed to be, or relationship is supposed to be. Now we see how your year begins and how it goes. So there are some changes, it's happening maybe because last year, like the year which is 2021 is coming to an end, and still a lot of things are happening around you. So you will start this year slow, steadily, and go on. There will be some new beginnings which is happening, because the first card is your Four of Swords, which is asking you to be in a little easy breezy zone. Then you have the Ace of Cups, Pentacles, which is saying that there will be a new beginning for you, and the World card is there. So there is some initiation of the new work, new energies in your business or life, or maybe the health improving and you starting something, and the completion with the World card is the completion of anything which is old. By the month of March or April, there will be some completion happening in your life, and you're starting out the new things with that. But you will be progressing with a slow and steady, with the Hangman being there. And somewhere you just want to do things faster and all, तो थोड़ा आपके दिमाग में टसल रहेगा. But there will be definitely a progress with the Six of Swords, which is saying you definitely are changing and moving from the things of non-work to work heavily. And there will be some new ideas with a new Knight of Wands, which is there for you, and the Page of Cups is there also. So there is definitely a lot of things happening by the end of this year, by October onwards, which is like this. And there is some definite completion which is happening with the Ten of Swords. Now we have two cards over here, this World and this Ten of Swords, which is a completion which is happening for you. Definitely a lot of changes are happening for you, Gemini, मिथुन राशि. आपके लिए आप सोच समझ के आगे बढ़ेंगे. आपके दिमाग में बहुत सारी चीज़ें करने के लिए हैं, बट आपको स्लो एंड स्टडी आगे बढ़ना है. चेंज डेफिनेटली है और आपके लिए बेहतर है अगर आप सही तरीके से डिसीजन लेंगे, सोच समझ के डिसीजन लेंगे तो ही होगा. ये जो भी चीज़ें अगर रुकेंगी वो आपके दिमाग में रुकेंगी. ऐसा नहीं है कि प्रैक्टिकली कहीं रुक रही हैं, इट्स ओवर थिंकिंग की वजह से रुकेंगी. सो यू टेक दैट स्टैंड करेक्टली, स्टडी करिए, देखिए, समझिए क्या होगा. बिकॉज ऑल टुगेदर आपकी एनर्जी जो है वो एम्प्रेस की है, विच इज़ लाइक somebody who's so sorted and settled. और sorted and settled तभी होते हैं जब आप right decisions लेते हैं. Females, you're going to be very very empowering this year, Geminis. आपके लिए हर चीज़ बहुत sorted है. Spiritual, आप बहुत ज़्यादा spiritual उसमें रहेंगे. And आप जो भी करेंगे, females especially, if I have to see, you will be taking a lot of command, and you'll be making a lot of progress and decisions that you'll be taking. So that is what the cards are indicating for you. Now let's see what is the energy for you, Geminis. Energies for Geminis 2022. Okay, the card which wants to come out is the third chakra arcane. Okay, this is about the third chakra. Third chakra is all about your basics, everything that connects to that, and you need to energize the chakra so that आपकी ज़िंदगी में कहीं कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं होगी. गट को ठीक रखिए and keep taking care of your digestive system. That's what you need to do, and that's what the third chakra is all about. Now let's see what is the angels card have to say. What is the angel energy for the question that you have in your mind, whatever work you're supposed to do, how it's going to be, and what is the angel's answer for you. Say remain positive. So you need to remain positive for your entire 2022. That's the only way to look forward to. And let's see आपके लिए रोमांस कार्ड्स क्या बोलते हैं. जेमिनाइज, मिथुन राशि, आपके लिए जेमिनाइज के लिए क्या है रोमांस का मैसेज. फ्री योरसेल्फ. It's time to take back control of your life. Well, that's amazing card, amazing energy. So आप जो भी कर रहे हैं, आपका जो भी कार्ड इसमें भी आया है, उसका यही कहना है कि आप बहुत सोचेंगे, करेंगे, उसको लेट गॉड करिए. देखिए कैसे चीज़ें अपने आप fall in place करती हैं, and you will see the light which you've been so wanting to see. So God bless you, Geminis. Happy New Year to you. हमारी है कर्क यानी कैंसर. क्या कहते हैं टैरो कार्ड्स आपके लिए, देखते हैं. Okay. लवली. सो कर्क राशि आपके लिए तो कार्ड्स बहुत सारे वॉन्ड्स के कार्ड हैं. देयर आर 4 कार्ड्स ऑफ वॉन्ड्स. 1 2 3 5 actually 5 cards. Your energies are all about wands energy at the moment, and it's like energy of passion, but most of the passion time you have more of conflict of the passion at the moment in your 2022. And the first card is the world. Now the world card is saying to you that first 3 months are all about completion of something that you've been wanting to do, and there might be some business propositions which you want to do and you're really struggling hard to get your business proposition done right. That's the energy for you, Cancer and Kark Rashi. Then the High Priestess card is there for this for you in this reading, and the Two of Wands and the Ten of Wands. Now the first 3 months or 4 months, I would say, is there is some kind of beginning and ending which is happening for you, कर्क राशि. और आप उसके लिए बहुत मेहनत करेंगे, मशक्क़त करेंगे, बिकॉज कई बार टसल हमारे दिमाग में होती है और आप ये चाहते हैं कि जैसा मैं चाहती हूँ वैसे ही चीज़ें होनी चाहिए, बट आपको लेट गॉड करना पड़ेगा. लेट द थिंग्स फ्लो ऑर्गेनिकली आपकी ज़िंदगी में, काम के बिजनेस में जो भी है. आपका नेक्स्ट 3-4 मंथ्स जो है इस लाइक ब्रिंगिंग द बैलेंस अबाउट वट एवर यू बीन डूइंग, बिकॉज बैलेंस आना बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. एंड देयर इज डेफिनेटली सम ट्रैवल प्लान्स यू वांट टू डू, बट अगेन देयर इज अ लॉट ऑफ baggage of the past which is there, which is kind of not really working good for you, and there's a lot of mental agony. There might be something happening for you, but in totality अगर मैं बोलूँ आपके पास जो ये wands के cards आए हैं, the 5 of wands, there is some in the maybe in the family there will be some complications, some tussles, and things will not be working as you want to be, but there is also some relief with the 7 of wands, which is saying that you will get some instant relief around the end of the year, and but may not be as you want, because in totality there's a lot of cards which is of tussle and weight and all that which is there for you with all these cards which is there, right? If you can see, these are all the cards of energy which is of trouble, like a lot of efforts, a lot of work need to be there, Kark Rashi. और जो तो कार्ड्स आपके लिए सही हैं, थोड़े से बेटर हैं, इट्स लाइक अ लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स विल हैपन एज ऑर्गेनिकली. उसके लिए आपको डिविनिटी को लेट रिजाइन करना पड़ेगा. आपको उनको लाइक आप खुद से करने की कोशिश मत करिए, हर चीज़ ऊपर वाले पे छोड़ दीजिए. आपके लास्ट 2 साल जैसे भी गए हैं, उसके बाद सडनली चेंज को आप अपने हाथ में लेने की कोशिश करेंगे 2022 के अंदर, जो हर एक इंसान चाहता है. देयर इज नथिंग रॉन्ग अबाउट इट, बट मूव ऑर्गेनिकली. दैट्स माई सजेशन फॉर यू. अगर ऑर्गेनिकली मूव करेंगे तो ही आपको अच्छी सफलता मिलेगी और आपको एंग्जाइटी और पेन कम होगा, बिकॉज दैट्स वॉट यू डोंट वॉन्ट टू डू. बिकॉज आपके लिए जो एनर्जी है बेसिक इज द 8 of Pentacles. Now 8 of Pentacles, you're really working hard to bring some semblance into your life, into your work, into your money and all that. But as far as I see, the 2020 year is 2022 is all about let go, let God, because you need to do that. So let the divinity help you and resign to the Almighty. Now let's see what the energies have to say. Energy, what is your energy field around this year? And for Cancer is 7th chakra, Archangel Uriel. All right, you need to really do something for your crown chakra, because that is what exactly is needed. You need to bring some positivity around you. You have to release your tensions, you have to release your negativity, you have to release and ask the universe to help you. That is what the 2022 is for you, Cancerians. Energy is all about releasing. Let go. Now let's see, as far as your work and all, what is the angels' answers for that, and let's see what angels have to say for you. And the angels which is popping out is trust. I don't say anything, it's a beautiful card, the trust card. You need to trust people, because all together you have not decentralized whatever you're doing. You really have trust issues. You need to trust people. You need to trust yourself, your people, your family, your loved ones, and the universe, most importantly. That's what the card is saying. And what is the second card? And lovely, forgiveness. You have to forgive yourself, you have to forgive people around you, you have to do all that, because until you do that, you will not be out of this whole scenario, और I would say the cesspool that you are in. आप इस दलदल से बाहर कैसे निकलेंगे जब तक आप इस forgive नहीं करेंगे? और खुद को भी forgive कीजिए, because you need to do that. You cannot punish yourself for anything. So forgive yourself when you see the answers. And well, it's a beautiful card of honeymoon that has come your way. So there is some release and relief which is happening for you, Cancerians, कर्क राशि, क्योंकि honeymoon का card है. Honeymoon का card तभी आता है जब आप let go, let God करोगे and believe in the universe and the see how it blesses you. God bless you, Cancerian, and happy New Year to you. Leo, यानी सिंह राशि, क्या कहते हैं? Tarot cards आपके लिए. Alright, your energy, Leo, Singh Rashi, is the Seven of Pentacles. That is, you're really looking out this whole year as work done and work more to be done, how to be done, what to be done. चाहे वो relationship हो, चाहे वो आपके खुद से आपकी रिलेशनशिप हो, या आपके घर वालों के साथ में हो, या आपके काम में हो, नौकरी पे हो, या बिजनेस पे हो, anywhere. You're working hard. You've been working hard, Leo, सिंह राशि. पर आप देख रहे हैं इनका रिजल्ट क्या है, कैसे, एंड आप एक उस जगह खड़े हैं जहाँ आपको रिजल्ट देखना है पर आपको रिजल्ट दिख नहीं रहा है, बट यू स्टिल हैंगिंग स्ट्रॉन्ग. आपके लिए जो एनर्जी है फॉर this year, let's see with the energy card. Let me take out the card for you. What is the energy for you, Leo? And the energy for you is, okay, happy family. Well, that's something probably you're looking forward to. And let me take out the card of the, okay, no need to worry. Amazing, amazing, amazing. And all right, this could be the one. Okay, so I've taken out the card for the energy, and all the energy around for you is the happy family. That's exactly the energy what you're looking for, my dear Singh Rashi, Leo. आप बहुत अरसे से ये चाह रहे हैं, कर रहे हैं. You look forward to having a happy family. Now, let's see what is happening actually in your tarot reading at the moment. It's like there's a lot of thinking, a lot of stagnation is there, and you are wanting to go ahead with the Knight of Wands. The Knight of Wands is saying that you really want to go ahead and take charge and do things what you're passionate about, do things that you want to do. But there's also a Hanged Man, which is like you are jeopardizing, I would say, with why I'm using the word jeopardizing, क्योंकि आप खुद से सोचते हैं, खुद से करते हैं, खुद ही रुक जाते हैं. तो आप क्वेश्चन भी करते हैं, आंसर भी करते हैं, और आपको लगता है आप जो कर रहे हैं वो सही कर रहे हैं, नहीं कहीं पे भी आप जाके अपनी 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 जो एक्चुअल एनर्जी है उसको आप दबा देते हैं. Now that's what is continuing in the second, but I think the second half will be better, say post April. That is because the eight of sword is there, but along with that you have the Page of Cups and you have the Ten of Cups. Now the Page of Cup and Ten of Cup is indication of that what you want to have, like a happy family, will be possible in case you go ahead and overthinking नहीं करेंगे. First 4 months में जैसे आप actual करेंगे act out, that will result in the next few months of 2022 for you. तो आप जो passion है उसको आप drive कीजिए 2022 के अंदर, and make your loved one feels better. Have that connection with your family and your brothers, sisters, loved ones. Work-wise, you're always there, but you need to take the call rightly. And because as I said, आप खुद सोचते हैं, खुद ही क्वेश्चन करते हैं, खुद ही आंसर करते हैं, और फिर बोलते हैं कि सब कुछ गलत हो रहा है. Now, the last October onwards, October, November, December, is something which you are, again back to the thing that you really are kind of obsessed to do, which is your work. And there is definitely more emotional turmoil with the Two of Pentacles and the Devil card which is there. And there's also the Five of Swords. Now, Five of Swords and Devil and everything, this is indication that you need to be on a precautious thing. But a lot of things are happening, but you may lose control of certain things and which you so want to, and there might be some deceit, somewhere which is there in your work or in your love life or whatever it's supposed to be. So you need to actually stay calm, stay grounded, stay rashi, और आपकी ज़िंदगी में खुशियाँ हैं in the middle sector, say around May, June, July. There will be something better for you which is happening as far things are concerned. May, June, July, August, that lives there. Then September, October, November, December. It's like something which is going to be, you need to work, because if you get married, if you think of getting married or proposal something, you need to balance it out, and you cannot be in one place or two places. So that all the things are there for you. But in totality, there's no need to worry about anything. That's what the angels are saying for you, because it's all overthinking ki dukaan jo aapke paas mein hai. And this could be the one, as far as your love is concerned, where you are real thinking and जो आपका अभी तक चलता आ रहा है, you are toxin and topping in your emotional life, which you have not really given much time as it's supposed to be. So this is the thing, that this is the person, whosoever you have connection with is the person for you. That's what the card is saying for you. सिंह राशि आपके लिए तो इन टोटल आपकी रीडिंग जो कहती है कि आप जो फैमिली लाइफ चाहते हैं, you need to go ahead and propose the person that you are with, or you feel that you have inclination to. You need to do that. As far as your work is concerned, you are nothing to worry about, because everything is running very, very smoothly on that front. And you are very, very passionate about the work that you want to do, and you're very dedicated to your work that you want to do. You are perfect over there. But definitely there is something of concern, because excessive work, excessive things is going to jeopardize your family life, which you need to take care of, Leo Rashi, Singh Rashi, because that's what you need to do. God bless you. Happy New Year. Rashi Virgo, क्या कहते हैं tarot cards आपके लिए? Energy of the Page of Wands. The Page of Wands is saying there is definitely some amazing creative passion energy around throughout the year for you. That's what the energy you're operating from, Virgos. And let's begin. Let's see how it goes. The card which have come for you is the Seven of Cups, Six of Pentacles, and the Five of Pentacles. All right, the two Pentacle cards and Cups. Now the Cups card is saying that too much happening for you, Virgos, in the first 4 months of the year. Too many things are happening for you. There is definitely some expenses which are going to be there for you, and there is definitely in all that thing that is happening आपकी ज़िंदगी में जो कुछ भी हो रहा है, किसी चीज़ से आप believing in the universe, you taking a step with a leap of faith that you're going to do, and that's definitely will bring you joy, because the card of Three of Cups is there for you, Star is there, and the Nine of Cups is there for you. Now the Nine of Cups and the Three of Cups is all about indication that there is definitely some good moments, happiness, family wise, love life, is everything good, spending time with your friends is there, is wish thinking, whatever you've been wishing for has finally come to true, and the stars are definitely helping you in that in the mid part of the year. That's going to be there for you. And the last is about there is of course new beginning. A lot of changes are happening in your life, and there will be new beginning and all that stuff. You need to take care of your health also, Virgos, Kanya Rashi, and that's what is indicated in the later part of the year. That you have got the Nine of Swords and the Ten of Wands. Now there is something which is maybe you're trying to expand too much of on your plate, and you are running short of your energy in the later part, because काम है, घर है, सब कुछ आपको देखना है, so you want to bring the balance, but that is exerting on you. You need to understand what you need to do is take a break, and slow and steady wins the race, and that's what the energy for you in entire 2022 my dear Virgos. कन्या राशि आपके लिए एक बहुत बड़े चेंज है. There is definitely changes which is happening for you as far as work and business and money is concerned. It's there for you, but you have to take logical, legit decisions for you. There will be some decisions which may backfire for certain people, so you need to understand what is the right, what is wrong for you. And let's see what is the energy for you as general by the Angels card. And energy for Virgos Kanya Rashi is walking away. Well, you are walking away as far as its energy of you know what you're doing and how you want to go ahead. It's bringing the change in your life. So that is the energy of walking away. In certain people you can feel, oh my god, he walked away or she walked away. It's like because that chapter, that time, that situation, what was there is not helping. So you move to better thing, better life, better charter of your life. So that is the walking away that is going to happen for Virgos, Kanya Rashi. And let's see what is the angels think for you and what they say. Well, if you walk away, you have opportunities. So what you need to understand, there are opportunities, but only if you walk away from your comfort zone. Because हम लोग comfort zone में रहते हैं, तो हम opportunities से थोड़ा दूर रहते हैं. So getting out the comfort zone, that is what so the cards are indicating for you is there. So walk away and you'll find. And forgiving and learning is the thing for your relationship which has come for you. So you know it's a new chapter because you're walking away to a new chapter in your life. That's what you're doing. There is a new chapter, the new energies, which is opportunity coming to you. And in the whole process, you need to forgive and you need to learn the new ways of life, the new work culture, the new relationship culture, everything that's going to happen, because that is for releasing and healing yourself in whatever has happened. So do it for yourself and do it for other people. That's what the cards are saying for you, Virgo, Kanya Rashi. And I would say the 2022 is gonna be with the bonhomie of friends, family, loved ones with you. You will be having new work for yourself, and you will also be kind of taking care of your health, which you have to do. That's for the reading for you, Virgos and Kanya Rashi, and Happy New Year to you. Libra, क्या कहते हैं tarot cards आपके लिए? Wow, lovely. Okay. Lovely. It's a 9 of Pentacles. It's a beautiful card for Libra, Tuला Rashi आपके लिए. The energy for this year for you is all about being spiritual, materialistically, and you know, especially for the females, you are the supreme power at the moment, who has a command, who has a call, who has this decision-making power, who has a spiritual power. You'll be more into spiritualism, and of course, and you will take beautiful decisions for everybody in your love life and your family with your spiritual realm, and you will be taking good decisions for your materialistic world. Also, that's the 9 of Pentacles. All right, let's begin the reading. And let me take out the energy card for you in the reading. What's the energy for Tula? आपके लिए क्या energy है इस साल? और आपके लिए कार्ड आता है Woman Holding Heart. Lovely card. Beautiful energy which you have. It's all about, you know, very emotional card. You deal with a lot of things with your heart and taking decisions from your heart, and that's what the energy is all about. What is the angel's answers for you? Reconsider. Okay, and what are we reconsidering? Let's see. Yes. Okay, cool. That's a good card. Now we see romance angels card for you, Libra. आपकी romantic energy क्या है 2022 के अंदर? And आपकी energy आती है unrequited love. Okay. All right. Cool. And I shall take another card for deliverance. Chemistry. Lovely. Well, two opposite stuff because you have got the chemistry and unrequited love. So basically for the lovers, and let's begin with lovers. Lovers, you have something where you've been looking for chemistry, is not there, but some people might have the chemistry. And Libra के लिए अगर 2 different cards आते हैं तो मुझे कोई ताज्जुब की बात नहीं है क्योंकि Libra is a balanced thing. It's a weighing scale and you need to balance it out. Some people can have it, some people cannot have it. So now let's begin the reading to see what exactly you need to do to get all those cards. Okay. The energy which is around you is a lot about of Wands, Pentacles, and the Emperor in the first thing, and it's like the 3 of Wands, and you have the 8 of Pentacles, and you have the Emperor card. Now this energy is all about being decisive, taking call, and regarding you want certain things to happen in your way, and you're waiting for it and you're working towards it. That's the first 3-4 months for you, Libra. तुला राशि आपके लिए आपको किसी चीज़ का इंतजार है, like आधा सफ़र हो गया है, आधा क्या मतलब आई वुड से 80% आपका सफ़र हो गया है और आप चाह रहे हैं कि वो 100% हो जाए जो भी आप करना चाह रहे हैं. बट ऑफकोर्स यू आर वर्किंग हार्ड फॉर इट एंड यू कॉलिंग स्पेड अ स्पेड. और आपकी एनर्जी जो है इट्स लाइक डिसीजन मेकर है बिकॉज द कार्ड ऑफ एम्परर इज एम्परर कार्ड इज ऑलवेज अबाउट द पर्सन हु नोज वॉट ही हैज़ टू डू एंड विल टेक अ कॉल अकॉर्डिंगली फॉर जो सबके लिए बेनिफिट करेगा, घर में बिजनेस में सबके लिए बेनिफिट करेगा. बट इसके साथ ही मैं कहना चाहूँगी कि इसमें आप अपना ईगो थोड़ा साइड में रखिएगा. डोंट बी टू स्टबर्न अबाउट सर्टेन थिंग्स इफ यू थिंग्स आर नॉट गोइंग जैसे आप चाह रहे हैं उसके लिए. थर्ड, उसके बाद चीज़ें हैं कुछ अच्छी हैं. देयर इज सम investment which is happening. There's a three of pentacle which is there, but along with that there's a car of a tower. A tower is something which is kind of bringing some kind of sudden changes will happen, something will shake up from your life, and it could be, and the Queen of Wands is also there. So I would say the energies around is that the females probably you will take the decisive call because you have this intuition power जो आपको हेल्प करेगी राइट डिसीजन लेने में. एंड अगर कुछ चीज़ आपको दिख रही है सही नहीं हो रही है इन द मिड पार्ट ऑफ द ईयर यू कैन टेक अ कॉल से फ्रॉम अप्रैल मई जून जुलाई अगस्त. दैट टाइम यू टेक अ कॉल बिकॉज ड्रास्टिकली समथिंग बहुत कुछ चेंज होने वाला है एंड दैट चेंज विल आस्क फॉर अ लॉट ऑफ decisions which will be hard but decisive. That's what the Emperor's energy will come in for you to help about the whole stuff that you've been working on. क्योंकि हम जो भी चीज़ बड़ा करना चाहते हैं, बड़ी चीज़ें जब होती हैं तो उसके लिए डिसीजन थोड़े क्रिटिकल होते हैं और उसके लिए आपको सोच समझ के डिसीजन लेना होगा. तो अगर मेल है you will be taking, females you'll be taking, both the parties will be taking all beautiful decisions about the life, whatever is supposed to be the question, the big question that is going to be there. And then the later part of the year is again good because indecisiveness whichever is there with the two of swords is only because इतना सारा कुछ जब साल में होता है तो एक समय पे आके ऐसा लगता है कि ये करें थोड़ा वो रहेगा. but it's here, nothing anywhere else happening because actually the thing that is happening is there is a kind of a bonhomie which is the two of cups and the six of pentacles which is saying that you will find the right investment, commitment and in your relationship and your work, everything which is happening. So there's no need to worry. और जब तक कुछ मेजर चेंज टावर के थ्रू जो होगा वो चेंज नहीं होगा तो बाकी चीज़ें कैसे सेटल होंगी. अगर एक आपकी तरफ से चलता रहेगा तो जिंदगी का मजा कैसे आएगा. सो लेट इट बी, लेट गॉड and you know you are the energy, as I said, the woman holding heart. So females, you will be all over with your decisions which is good for yourself. Of course you have to love yourself, you have to love other people and you have to see things the way non practical of course, but kabhi kabhi practical ho jayega because wo aapke liye acha hoga. And anything in your work if you're looking for reconsider, maybe aapko kuch karne ke liye thoda sa like bolte na ki how do you say business wise you have to compromise somewhere. तो देखिएगा अगर आपको जमता है तो रिकंसिडर करिएगा. That's how the card is coming out for you. And as far as the relationship is concerned, I said there is going to be, but too much is going on, too much of work is going on. So in all totality, you have to give time for the relationship to improve and maybe घर में कभी कभी ऊपर नीचे होता है and you might not feel too good about the relation तो भी आपके घर में हो रहा है. But it's all again in your hand. Balance it out because जो लूज करते हैं उसको आप गेन भी कर सकते हैं. ऐसा कुछ नहीं है. You can do it. So if you think in your house, in your family, in your relationship, that is the thing, then water it more. और आपको लग रहा है कि आपने सब कुछ ट्राई कर लिया और वो नहीं हो रहा है तो मूव आउट. यही आपके लिए बेहतर रहेगा. हैप्पी न्यू ईयर टू ऑल माय तुला राशि के पीपल. अब बारी आती है स्कॉर्पियो की. वृश्चिक, क्या है आपके लिए इन स्टोर? लेट्स सी. Lovely, lovely and lovely. By far the best card so far. Okay. World. The whole energy for you वृश्चिक राशि is amazing world. खत्म हो रही है चीज़ें जो आपके लिए काम नहीं कर रही थी और ख़त्म हो रहा है वो चैप्टर जो आपको बहुत तकलीफ दे रहा था. ख़त्म हो रही है वो चीज़ जहाँ आपको बहुत इंतज़ार करना पड़ रहा था. ख़त्म हो रही है वो रिश्ते जो आपके साथ नहीं रह सकते, जिनको आपकी ज़िंदगी से जाना था. ये खत्म है, ये एक्चुअल ब्रिंगिंग। वृश्चिक राशि आपके लिए जो ये कार्ड्स आए हैं, ये एनर्जी है आपकी, इट्स कंप्लीशन की एनर्जी है। आपकी जिंदगी में 7.5 ही निकल गया, सब कुछ हो गया। अब जो टाइम आपके लिए 2022 में आ रहा है वो है एक नए चैप्टर का शुरू होने के लिए। आपकी एनर्जी क्या है देखते हैं 2022 के अंदर। वृश्चिक राशि, आपकी एनर्जी क्या है? आपकी एनर्जी है लवली, विक्ट्री। आई एम सुपर हैप्पी बिकॉज मेरा मून साइन है। ओके, इट्स विक्ट्री कार्ड्स फॉर यू वृश्चिक। एंजल्स आपके लिए क्या कहते हैं? स्कॉर्पियोस, वृश्चिक राशि, एंजल्स कार्ड फॉर स्कॉर्पियोस, समथिंग बेटर, लवली एंड लव रिलेशनशिप्स में आपका क्या होने वाला है मेरे प्यारे वृश्चिक राशि वाले, क्योंकि बहुत बहुत ऊपर नीचे हुआ है आपके साथ। ओके, ओह, एंगेजमेंट, लवली। ऑलराइट, लेट्स बिगिन द रीडिंग। सो एज वी से, आपकी एनर्जी है विक्ट्री की, आपकी एनर्जी है कंप्लीशन की, नए चैप्टर के शुरू होने की विद द वर्ल्ड कार्ड। वृश्चिक राशि, लेट्स बिगिन। आपके लिए आया है द थर्ड ऑफ वॉन्ड्स, 3 and 8, 3 of Pentacles, 3 of Wands and 8 of Pentacles। आपके लिए पहले 3 महीने 4 महीने आपके लिए जो इंतजार था, थोड़ा इंतजार रहेगा, बट देन यू आर अमंग द पीपल, हैप्पीनेस, फ्रेंडशिप, investments, and everything is happening, and definitely you working because the cycle is changing। आपके लिए नए काम आएंगे, आप काम करेंगे, जो काम आपको खुशियाँ देगा, जो काम आपको बहुत सारे कंटेंटमेंट देगा, वो चीज़ें आपके लिए हो रही हैं। Then this May, June, July, August is going to be for the Emperor and the Queen of Wands, so and it's a 6 of Pentacles, lovely and lovely। Now these energy is all about you are finally moving on your own, right? वृश्चिक राशि वाले, आपका सारी चीजें जैसे आप चाह रहे हैं उसके हिसाब से मूव करेंगी, तो आपके ऊपर रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी भी आएगी कि आप जो डिसीजन लेने वाले हैं वो डिसीजन सही होना चाहिए। तो डिसीजन सही लेने के लिए आपके अंदर वो एक ऑर्गेनिकली आप रिस्पॉन्सिबल बन जाएंगे सही डिसीजन लेने के लिए, ताकि उसमें आप अपने बिजनेस को अच्छा करेंगे, अपने काम को अच्छा करेंगे, आपको प्रशंसा मिलने वाली है आपके काम के लिए। यू विल बी रिवॉर्डेड फॉर योर वर्क दैट इज गोइंग टू डू, एंड दैट इज व्हाट द कार्ड आर सेइंग फॉर यू। एंड यू हैव न्यू रिलेशनशिप इज हैपनिंग, न्यू पार्टनरशिप, और मे बी जो पुरानी रिलेशनशिप है उसके अंदर भी आपको स्टार्टिंग से ही आपके लिए अच्छा रहने वाला है, बिकॉज जो चीज़ें आपके रिलेशनशिप में काम नहीं कर रही थी वो खत्म हो जाएंगी। देयर विल बी सम डेफिनेट शिफ्ट in everything that's going to happen in your heart, in your mind, in your body, in your health and everything, which is very very good for you। The 2 of Cups is there for you, but again जब सब कुछ अच्छा होता है तो आपको लगता है ऐसा अच्छा कैसे हो रहा है, तो आप जो ओवर थिंकिंग की दुकान पे पहुंच जाएंगे with the 9 of Swords, but उसको आप साइड में रखें, because I know it's difficult to at times believe कि आपकी जिंदगी में सब अच्छा कैसे हो रहा है, but जब अच्छा हो रहा है तो thank you God, thank you angels, thank you anything and everything around you energies, and say God bless me and keep blessing me, because you definitely have a 12 travel plans around in the end of year which is there for you, and you're also kind of traveling in the first 3-4 months of your year 2022, and I am super happy because the whole energy वृश्चिक राशि आपके लिए जो भी है बहुत अच्छा है। काम के लिए आप काम बहुत करने वाले हैं, जो काम रुके हुए थे सब काम बनने शुरू हो जाएंगे आपके लिए, and in your relationship there is definitely some positive move which is there for you, so look forward to that। और जब काम अच्छे होंगे आपको बहुत सारी सफलताएं मिलने वाली हैं, तो the victory is on the card which is energy for you, so I'd say God bless you Vrishchik, Scorpions, and happy new year 2022 to you। Sagittarius, आपकी एनर्जी है द क्वीन ऑफ कप्स। अभी देखते हैं कि आपके लिए क्या निकल के आता है। धनु, व्हाट इज इट फॉर स्टोर फॉर यू? ओके, lovely। Well, Well, your energy is a Queen of Cups. It's all about your mother's energy, mother feeling, mother stuff, and take care of your mom, and energy of nurturing, energy of passion, energy of taking care of things around you, of your loved ones, basically nurturing feeling, energy is there for you. Now let's see what is the energy card for you. Sagittarius, धनुराशि आपके लिए क्या कहती है? 2022 की एनर्जी आपके लिए क्या है? The thinking woman. I'll explain it to you later. Now let's see what the angels answer regarding your question, your work, everything is let go. Okay. And your energy regarding your love life, relationships, दिल के मामले में क्या है? And it is say forgiving and learning. Okay, cool. So, as I would say, the energy around you is very practical in the initial few months. आप बहुत practical decisions लेने वाले हैं अपनी life के लिए, and you are safeguarding of whatever decision आप लेंगे या काम करेंगे, because you want to grow and you want to initiate what you're thinking in your world, but the energies are working, but आप overthinking मत करिए, because sometimes let go, let God is going to be working for you. Now, there is definitely energy of the Queen of Cups, and you have the High Empress here in the middle, and you have a thinking woman. So, and you have the Queen of Swords. Now, the Queen of Swords and the Empress and the thinking woman and all these female energies are all about. At times I feel कि females ज़्यादा अच्छे analytical decisions लेती हैं, जो हो सकता है few males would disagree, but अगर आप कहीं पे अटकते हैं, कहीं काम में अटकते हैं, males especially, please take advice or consult with your female partners or anybody that you look up to, basically. And thinking woman is the energy, because that is the energy you need. You need to think as females think for the things in love, work, and business-wise. That's the energy for you going forward. As far as your love is concerned, definitely you are wanting the relationship to happen, but you are also letting go. And the thing is that it's not working as you want it to be. That's what the relationship looks like for you at the moment. But there could be, if you let go and stop being commanding in the situations, because you have the card of forgiving and learning. So if you let go of what you're trying to do, you might have a marriage or some celebration this year, Dhanu Rashi Sagittarian, because जिंदगी में हम या तो कॉम्प्रोमाइज करते हैं या एडजस्ट करते हैं. दोनों ही चीज़ों में कहीं ना कोई चीज़ चूकती है, आपके मन मुताबिक नहीं होती है, पर वो शायद फिर भी अच्छी होती है, बिकॉज हम सब इकट्ठे इसीलिए हैं. हर चीज़ एक तरीके से चलने लगेगी तो बहुत मोनोटनस हो जाएगी. अगर ऊपर नीचे कुछ चीज़ें होंगी, हम उसमें ढलेंगे तो एक अच्छा केमिस्ट्री बनेगा, एक अच्छा synergy banega, and you will enjoy that thing. So that is what is saying. And this is definitely some people might get married. That's a card of world, that's a card of Four of Wands is saying to you, because there is some people are getting married in the later part of the year, which is October to December. I see that. And but yes, do read the fine prints, whatever is happening to you, and far your work is concerned, and you need to understand how it's going, because I see work being happening. I see taking big decisions as far as your business is concerned, or your work life is concerned. And maybe you would like to work abroad or something like that. That's also in your mind. अगर आप नौकरी करते हैं उसके लिए, तो वो सारी चीज़ें हैं. There might be work abroad or the marriage abroad or something like that. That is also there on the card. So altogether it's a good reading for you for 2022. धनु राशि, आपको सिर्फ let go, let God करना है, and forgive अपने आप को करना है, forgive the relationships that you are in, and look forward for a beautiful life, because that is what is happening. And rest I can explain when I do the readings individually for every month. So I would say, God bless you and Happy New Year 2022, Sagittarius. आपकी क्या है टैरो कार्ड्स कहते हैं मकर आपके लिए. Yeah. All right. Wow. The energy for you is a tower. जो चीज़ें होंगी आपकी ज़िंदगी में बहुत अचानक से कैप्रिकॉर्न मकर राशि वाले होने वाली है, and I would say that okay, that separate. I've taken out extra cards, so let it be. Okay, cool. So this is the energy for you, Makar Rashi, the tower, which is like sudden changes will happen for you this year. Number 6. People, like 2022 is the 6th number, so obviously it could be devil, it could be spiritual, it could be anything. Let's see how it begins. Okay, there is a chapter finishing. Oh, let me take out the energies for you. Energy card for you this 2022 is Makar, the thinking man. Okay, lovely. And what is the angels' answer for you? Angels for you 2022, what is they saying? And they're saying that no need to worry. And in for relationships, what it is saying? In relationship, it is saying past life relationship. Okay. Cool. So let's begin, as I've taken more cards for you guys. So I would say happens. So, all right. The reading for you as girls Makar Rashi, आपके लिए है कुछ खत्म हो रहा है जो finally आपके लिए काम नहीं कर. The stalemate is getting over. There is new beginning. There's a money transaction which is there, and there is also you bringing balance with the right decision that you're going to take, because the card which has come is the 10 of swords, and then you have the ace of cups. So something is finishing, something is beginning. That's the energy for you. And the high priestess is there, that you will be bringing the balance with your intuition and spiritualism that you have, and you'll bring the balance because that's much needed, because you have emperor. You can't be stubborn about the thing that you wish to do in a certain way. So you need to take a decision as the head of the organization, and you need to take that decision very rationally. That is what the cards are saying for you. Then again, the cycle is changing for you by the say May, June, July, August, but you are kind of in a tussle of your own mind because there are certain delays. But a wheel of fortune change होता है, wheel of fortune बढ़ता है, wheel of fortune move करता है. तो tussle मसल तो होगा ना थोड़ा सा, तो उसको आप कर लीजिए. Because there's nothing to worry. It's happening for your good only, basically. And then you have the later part of the year is like September, October, November, December is again seems to be a better part. It's a good part again earlier also. Aapka January to April is good because something is ending, something is beginning, but you have to be very rational and practically taking right decisions rather than being very stubborn about certain things. And then the things are changing, things are moving, but when the things move, there are obviously कुछ चीजें बिखरेगी, कुछ चीजें समटेंगी, कुछ चीजें नहीं जुड़ेंगी, तो वो आपको देखना है कैसे करना है. And then you have this new partnership which is coming there. Then again you have your intuitions will help you in the next chapter of your life which you want to take, and there'll be a lot of things on your plate, and but those things will definitely your business partners or your colleagues or your work or whatever it's supposed to be is going to bring you a lot of happiness and celebrations that's going to be there by the say from September, October, November, December, something like that. And the thinking man is like you have to think like a scholar, you have to think like somebody who is well read in your chapter of life, whether it's work, relationships or business, whatever you're supposed to do. You have to take a very rational call about it, because a thinking man is somebody who has studied and who knows and who do a lot of research in whatever one has to do. So that will be your driving force for this year. That's your energy. As far as your things are concerned, which you're really worrying about with this card and the waiting card and the hangman card, is saying that there's nothing to worry. That the wheel of fortune, when it changes, automatically things will fall in place. So don't worry about it. Now, as far as your things like the relationship is concerned, in your life and your family or anything of that matter, it's always good to forgive. Forgive yourself, because certain time we also take wrong decisions. So forgive yourself, forgive others, and just keep learning, because we learn till we die. So that is a total energy for you, and it's amazingly things will move for you, things will change for you, and a lot of things will change like this because you have the Tower card over here. So be prepared. Be prepared about the things going to change, things will move, but in the end, all will be very, very good as you desire it to be. So don't worry. And in the whole process, don't forget to take care of your health. Though I don't see any major thing happening for you, Capricorns, but no harm in taking right diet and taking care of your health. God bless you. Happy New Year 2022. Well, Aquarians, this is an energy for you, the star. The star is like changing. So let's see what the readings come out for you. Kumbh Rashi, the lovely cards coming out for you. Lovely. I'm happy. Whoa. Awesome. Okay, cool. I'm super happy to see this card. Your energy is a star energy. Now, in total, what's the energy from the angels for you? Helping you in this is hostilities. Oh, okay. And strategy. The two cards which were just coming out, so I just took out two cards. All right, lovely. And what is the angel's answers for you? What is the angel energy for you? Let's see. And the angel energy for you is abundance. Lovely. I'm super happy, Aquarians. कुंभ राशि और आपके लिए क्या कहते हैं? Romance angel cards. How is the relationship gonna be? And it says let go of control issues. Cool. Lovely. Okay, so the cards for you that begins is the star energy, which is the stars will help you. The stars are moving, stars are changing for you, Aquarian. And there is definitely a new beginning for you, and you are all gung-ho how to start 2022. कुंभ राशि आप 2022 की तरफ बहुत optimistic हैं, and if it is a good thing and आपको लग रहा है कि अब सब जल्दी कुछ होना चाहिए ना, चीज़ें आपको दिख भी रही हैं होते हुए, and it's like a wish card which is coming for you with the 9 of cups, which is saying that I want my wishes to be fulfilled. But there, of course, a little delay of the 10 of wands because it's too much on your head. And I think let it go, because it's all about the abundance which is waiting for you. So you need not worry about anything. It's all working fine for you. And what you need to do is these hostilities in your mind, bring the strategy around it, and you will see the result that you're looking forward to get foothold in 2022. Now, there is a Justice card, there's a King of Pentacles, and there is a 6 of. So definitely there is some justice coming your way, and the King of Pentacles is all abundance. There is some kind of celebration with the 6 of Wands, which is saying there is some kind of appreciation which is coming your way. You finally will get justice in this second half, like May, June, July, and you will find your footings correct. Which you have been working for, जो आप काम कर रहे थे, and celebration है, and there's a lot of money related things which will fall in place for you. Finally, your finance will be getting better in the second chapter of your life, which is starting from the May onward, but the groundwork has already begun in the beginning of the year itself, January onwards. So there's nothing to worry about. Basically, it's all moving in the right direction. And the third, like September, October, November is gonna be December, is like finally your investments will be having some legit stuff to it, and you will be doing a lot of investments with the two cards just come with the 4 of Pentacles and the Knight of Pentacles, and with the Ace of Wands. And you will do the investment also probably for the new business that you want to start out in the 2022. That's the energy for you, and it's investment energy. That's making your money double energy, making your finance decisions very practically. There is some justice which is coming your way, and there's definitely abundance is there. And as far as relationship is concerned, you need to just let go of the control issues, because that won't help. So you need to just say, okay, I take it, I believe everything is right, and that shall be. So just go for that. Let go of the control issues, and you will see the situation will improve in your relationship, in your work, whatever that you wanted to do. And as far as your business is concerned, you need to devise some new strategies, because you are trying to bring multiple changes in your work scenario, which was bringing them hostilities to you. So you need to bring some synergies with the strategizing the whole stuff. And I would say in totality, the stars are changing for you. That's the whole energy for you, and the abundance is there for you. What you need to do is just exercise some right for, say, bringing the forgiveness chapter and learning something new. And I would say, God bless you and Happy New Year 2022 to you. Mean Rashi, the energy is 5 of wands. Now 5 of wands being the energy is too much going on. Let's see what is going on. Mean Rashi. अच्छा इतना सारा ओह फिर तो बनता है. Okay, lovely. So आपकी energy है the 5 of wands. Now 5 of wands is basically mental tussle because a lot of things are happening and you don't know how to handle those things. Okay, and there's a competition around your work and everything, so you need to be on your feet all the time. Let's see what's the energy around 2022 for Mean Rashi. Oh, they're falling apart. Okay, let's see. Mean Rashi, क्या है आपकी energy? And आपकी energy कहती है the world. And what is the angel's answer for you? Angel's answers for Mean Rashi. The situation will improve. That just flew out. And as far as the romance is concerned, what is the card for you? Ooh, it's not coming out. You deserve love. Oh my God. All right, let's begin. Well, as I said, the total energy for you is the 5 of wands. The 5 of wands is all about the mental agony, anxiety, stress. Now, this is not all bad. This is also good because if you have too much on your plate to do too many things, then you will wonder, कैसे करूँ, क्या करूँ, ऐसे हो, वैसे हो. You know, that's a drill. Okay. And the energy is the world. The world energy is all about, in different ways, completion. The world about the new cycle to begin. The world is saying that it's a new chapter of your life is beginning, and the world is at your feet, and you can travel the world. All right. Now we begin. Now the energy with you is energy of creativity, work. I mean, you will be very creative at your work. Your creative energies will be more, and that shall reap you in your happiness, contentment with the 10 of Pentacles, because you have the Knight of Wands, which is like the energy is all about creativity, passion, and some new work. Now, new work is coming your way, and the third 3 of Wands. Now 3 of Wands, that the waiting, but definitely the work is coming, which is giving you contentment and happiness with the 10 of Pentacles. So that's how the January, February, March, April. So you'll be working, you'll be traveling. That's again a travel thing which is there for you, and you're looking for travel because even the Knight of Wands is traveling. The 3 of thing is travel. So maybe you want to meet your family or whatever. That's on the cards for you, Pisces. Now the card second is May, June, July, August is all about practical work again, and being a little spiritual and materialistic both. That's the Queen of the Knight of Pentacles and the King of Swords, which is there for you. So you, as you're progressing in this year 2022, you'll be getting more analytical, more legit, more rational in your thinking, because Pisces is basically an emotional sign, water sign. So you will get more more practical, more legit about the things, which is getting out of your comfort zone and doing something different about it. And definitely because that's the card of the 8 of Cups is saying that you're walking away from your comfort zone because you need to do that for your betterment. Okay. Then the High Priestess is there. It's good time for all the spiritual, occult people who are there. People who believe in this spiritual realm of stuff. It's a good time for them, for everything. And that's exactly for the thing over here, where spiritual things will be too heightened for yourself. And there's a Hangman. When you are spiritual, you always think in a very spiritual way. You don't rush for the things. You take your step back and think about it. That's the spiritual energy which will guide you throughout the year, for that matter, Pisces. And there is a card of 7 of Swords. The 7 of Swords is like about, you think there is going to be some betrayal. and your spiritualism will help you in that betrayal, either to happen or not to happen. Either ways, that's going to be the answer for you. In totality, a lot of work is coming your way, Pisces, Mean Rashi. A lot of things are happening. You finally be in the zone that you're looking forward to. You might like to move a new house to, or maybe a new business thing, or maybe you want to buy a house. That's what the things are looking forward for the first 4 months. But to happen, not to happen is to be seen. But they're definite talk about it. Okay, the world is there, and the situation will improve. For whatever you're trying to do in your life, it will improve, and you deserve love. Of course, this is one thing which has been not really there for you for last few years. So I believe you love yourself first. Don't find any default in yourself. Don't find any fault in yourself. Don't find anything wrong with yourself. You are best the way you are. So love yourself. Once you love yourself, you will get more love from the people that you're looking forward to. If that's the only magic mantra I can give you. So that's all for you, Pisces. It looks amazingly beautiful. Look forward to a lot of work, a lot of new business, new work, and travel plans that's going to be there. You're meeting your loved ones, you're traveling. That's what the world card is also suggesting, because that is your energy at the moment. And I would say God bless you. And if you're spiritual, go ahead, reach, do whatever, spread love, help people. That's all the energy for you. And I would say Happy New Year 2022 to you, Pisces. God bless you. So with that, ये एपिसोड यही खत्म होता है. ये पूरे साल का है, सन, मून और राइजिंग पे है. अगर आपको अपना सन साइन पता है, मून साइन पता है, तो आपको अपने आंसर्स मिल जाएंगे. एंड दिस इज़ अ वेरी वेरी जनरल रीडिंग. अगर आपका रेजोनेट करता है, ठीक है. नहीं करता है, यू कैन ऑलवेज रीच आउट टू मी फॉर योर पर्सनल रीडिंग, विच विल आई टेक अप इफ यू राइट टू मी at hansa@hotmail.com. Your email will be written down there, so don't worry about that. And I wish you all the very best for 2022. It's a beautiful year of number 6. A lot of abundance, a lot of change, and a lot of balance need to be coming into your life. God bless you. Happy New Year once again. Love and light. Namaste.